morning, everybody, and welcome to another Sunday morning vlog.
Hello, friends. Glad to have you with us today.
We are going to take you to the east side of the valley, not Las Vegas, but actually in Henderson, Nevada.
To a place we've never been to ever until we made this vlog.
This is a resort that I know you've never heard of, well, probably haven't heard of, and I'm sure you haven't seen, but we're going to show it to you today, right?
It is called Green Valley Ranch. It is a stations property, and it's hidden between all these trees and palms, and what a surprise when you go in there. It's beautiful.
All right, get ready, because this adventure starts right now.
We are headed east into the sun and over to Henderson, Nevada for today's adventure. You know how it is. If you live on the west side of town, you rarely venture east or vice versa. And we're as guilty of that as anybody, and so we have to admit, in truth, we have never set foot in Green Valley Ranch before today. It's high time we go see what was, at the time it opened in 2001, the most expensive locals casino hotel Las Vegas had ever seen. Turn left into the property from Paseo Verde Parkway, and we can certainly understand where the green came from. It's absolutely gorgeous in here.
At the stop sign, turn right, then arrive at your destination.
First destination is on our right, the hotel entrance. When Green Valley Ranch opened, there were 201 guest rooms. An expansion in 2005 added another tower for a total of 497 rooms. Before we go in, we just have to appreciate this avenue leading to the hotel drop-off and valet area. Superb landscaping. Step in the front doors and take a look at this stunning lobby area, all done in creams and golds. Lots of intimate and inviting seating areas. The check-in desk. And just look at this classy lobby bar with the backlit quartz. The hotel lobby can also be accessed from the casino down one level and through this elegant art-filled hallway. We have only seen one corner of this place so far, and already we can tell why it earned a AAA 4-Diamond Award barely 2 years after opening. We noticed this through the windows as we walked by and stepped out to investigate. It's a seasonal pop-up called Spring at the Terrace, and it's just outside the lobby doors, and what a charming spot it is. The website describes it as a magical springtime escape with a special menu of cocktails and light bites. It's open on weekend afternoons and evenings. Green Valley Ranch has a Mediterranean design, with the hotel itself arranged in this lovely sweeping arc around a central courtyard. The Deluxe King and 2 Queen rooms are 495 square feet. The Executive King runs 715 square feet. And then you've got your Villa Suite at 2,500 square feet. Mediterranean villas all need a grand staircase to the outside, and you've got one right here. All right, grab your sunscreen. We are heading to the backyard, a stunning 8-acre playground for sunny days. This pool area, the design and layout are so unique and so beautiful. We absolutely love this graceful bridge over the multiple levels of water. Over there is the spa. And if you look beyond the palm trees, that's the Strip. Lots of daybeds and loungers. And behind them, the Sandbar Grill. The cabanas are tucked behind the bridge, and can we just say how much we love infinity pools? Oh, and then there's this, a sandy beach right here in the middle of Henderson. What a fabulous pool at Green Valley Ranch. The backyard stretches all the way back to the hotel with this row of attractive daybeds. And you know me, I simply can't resist a well-trimmed boxwood hedge. The landscapers at Green Valley Ranch get 2 big thumbs up from us. Next up, the Green Valley Ranch Station Casino. If you're driving, you'll go around the property to Village View Drive, where you'll find the marquee and the parking garage entrance. By the way, parking here is absolutely free. This attention-grabbing LED marquee visible from the Las Vegas Beltway was constructed in 2014. The casino frontage is along Village Center Drive, another of those beautiful palm tree-lined avenues on the Green Valley Ranch property. As you'd expect, the Mediterranean architecture here matches what we saw at the hotel. If you just pivot in the opposite direction from the front doors, this is the district at Green Valley Ranch. Stay tuned, we'll be heading that way very shortly. All right, let's go inside. Green Valley Ranch is part of the Station Casinos family. And when it opened in December of 2001, the casino was 50,000 square feet, and now it's almost 144,000 square feet. The intent was always to cater to Henderson locals, particularly the over 55 demographic, and clearly it has worked. There are over 2,500 slot machines, including Best in the Valley 100% payback on video poker. And all your favorite table games, craps, roulette, and 24/7 blackjack. Bingo is a big deal with the locals, and Green Valley Ranch added this 400-seat bingo hall in 2013, and games run from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. every day on the odd hours. They have lots of specials and promotions, so be sure to check out the online brochure. This cozy 20-seat Keno Lounge was added a couple of years later. Keno is open from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. on weekdays and midnight on weekends. Stations does sports up big, and Green Valley Ranch is no exception. The sportsbook features 5 large format viewing walls and over 30 50-inch screens running all the races and games of the day. You've got the obligatory sports bar right close by. And for your game day munchie menu, the Turf Grill offers burgers, wings, and dogs on weekends just steps away from the action. Here are some other venues on the property that are worth a quick mention. Down from the casino at street level is a Regal Cinemas with 10 screens. Adjacent to that is the kids' arcade called CyberQuest. On the casino floor is the convenient Kids Quest, an on-site, by-the-hour child care service. Let's spin through a few of the dining options at Green Valley Ranch, starting with this one. Bottiglia Cucina and Anateca. This room takes our breath away. We have never seen anything like it. The decor is stunning. It's flooded with natural light. The furniture is glossy white, and there are floral prints everywhere. Just check out this private little alcove for a special occasion. And as if the room isn't fabulous enough, there's a huge private outdoor patio with wicker chairs and marble-topped tables. The website promises a menu of sophisticated, rustic Italian fare with lots of fresh herbs. The bar features a wine list of rare vintages from Napa, Sonoma, Italy, and France. Bottiglia is open for dinner and weekend brunch. Paula says we gotta book us a reservation, like right now. Adjacent to that, you'll find the Baracha Mexican Cantina with its Day of the Dead-inspired design and hand-painted murals. The menu has all your favorite burritos, tacos, and specialty tequilas. Baracha is open for dinner on weekdays as well as lunch on the weekends. Over next to the sportsbook is the Tides Oyster Bar, where live-action dishes are prepared while you watch. The menu offers clams, oysters, chowders, gumbo, and pan roasts. Tides is open for dinner every single day. Hank's Fine Steaks and Martinis can be found just across from the table games on the casino floor. Hank's offers world-class steaks and seafood, and in fact, they're the only restaurant in Henderson to serve certified A5 Kobe beef. And they've earned a 4-Diamond Award for their excellence. Walk through the casino, and this place is definitely going to catch your eye. Pizza Rock is where you can score an artisan pizza from world champion pizza maker Chef Tony Gemignani. Pizza Rock has a menu of pastas, calzones, and other Italian goodies in addition to pizza. And the dough, pasta, and even the sausage is, get this, made from scratch. You can stop in here for lunch, dinner, or late night. And like other station casinos, there's a Lucky Penny 24/7 coffee shop on the casino floor for your round-the-clock eats. And at casino level, just upstairs from the cinemas, is the food court. Lots of your favorites can be found here, whether you're looking for a snack, sandwich, or just a cup of joe. There are a total of 5 bars in the building, including this one, the Sip Bar, renowned for its selection of premium martinis. It's a gorgeous morning, and we are ready to leave the casino and take a little walk. The district at Green Valley Ranch is just east of the Hotel Casino and has the distinction of being the very first mixed-use project in the Las Vegas Valley. It opened in 2004, 3 years before Town Square and 10 years before downtown Summerlin. The district is a pedestrian-friendly Main Street concept with retail, restaurants, office space, and condo units all living happily together. The first phase was built on 30 acres and it opened with 29 retailers. A second phase followed across Green Valley Parkway in 2005. There are 75 retailers here right now. In the center of the main pedestrian walkway is this artwork commissioned by the builders. It's called Spirit Form Emerging, a bronze sculpture by Reese Burwell. The district has a robust schedule of events, including farmers markets, movies, and music. Truly a great resource for Green Valley and Henderson locals. Just beyond the sculpture is the courtyard, the entrance to all kinds of goodies, including a vine-covered arbor, a comfy seating area, and a splash zone for warm summer days. This little side street is also the path to gastronomic delights, 4 food and drink establishments in one spot. King's Fish House is the house that Seafood built, dedicated to the pleasure of preparing and sharing seafood. We absolutely love these hand-done signs along the front of the building. Lucille's is, of course, the hugely successful Southern barbecue restaurant chain where the cornbread and the hospitality are second to none. Does this white picket fence and the red checkered tablecloths not just transform you to the steamy South? We love this. It's so not Las Vegas. And on the other side, there's a Parkway Tavern, a local chain of sports bars. And Richie McNeely's Irish Pub with its huge list of whiskeys from the motherland. We definitely need to spend some time here at the district.
Okay. We know we did not do justice at all to the district. That could be a vlog in and of itself. There's a whole nother section across the street, restaurants, bars, retail, parkland, trees. It's a beautiful place.
And you know what else? You can live there as well.
Yeah, condos. You can live on the property.
I'll tell you what, when you combine, first of all, the hotel with the casino and then the shopping, you've got yourself a major resort right here. And it's right dead in the center of Henderson.
What a gem for the folks that live over there. You know, they kind of repeated that same concept over at Red Rock and downtown Summerlin, same idea, but many years later, the Henderson folks have been enjoying it for much longer.
But I'll tell you what, they did a really nice job over there, and I hope you liked that video. Now, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification button. Anything else you got to tell these people? Paula.
You know I always have something. 2 things today. First of all, let me apologize that I did not clean my windshield before driving east
Yeah, it was
into
a mess.
the sun. I'm sorry about that, my bad. And secondly, here in the US of A, it is Memorial Day tomorrow, the day that we honor all of our fallen soldiers who gave their lives for our country and our freedom.
Yeah, this is the weekend that we sit back and reflect about those who have lost their lives, and also for the families, we also want to give our prayers out to them as well.
Always.
All right, we hope you had a good time. We'll see you next time.
Bye,
Bye-bye,
everyone.
everybody.